हेलो बच्चों, today we start our new chapter of organic chemistry. Last we discussed haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today we going to start our new chapter of organic chemistry, alcohol, phenols and ethers. Okay, these are hydroxyl compounds. Alcohols and phenols are hydroxyl compounds because they contain hydroxyl group in their structure. Since here alcohol has general formula ROH, phenol has general formula AROH. What is here? AR denotes aromatic ring or benzene ring. Okay, while the ethers are alkoxyalkanes, that means they are derivatives of hydrocarbons in which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by alkoxy group, that is OR group. Okay, we discuss definitions first of these organic compounds. Alcohols. What are alcohols? When hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon chain replaced by one or more number of hydroxyl groups, then the resulting compound form is called as alcohols. Since when we replace hydrogen atom of alkane, this hydrogen atom of alkane when replaced by OH group, that is hydroxyl group, then the resulting compound form is called as alcohol. Okay, since here I replace hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon chain, this aliphatic hydrocarbon chain may be alkane, alkene, alkyne. Okay, when we replace hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon chain by OH group, that is hydroxyl group, then the resulting compound form is called as alcohol. Okay, now we discuss the definition of phenol. Since when hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon ring, when hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon ring is replaced, that is benzene ring, and hydrogen atom of benzene ring replaced by one or more number of hydroxyl group, then the resulting compound form is called as phenols. Okay, since here we know that the formula of benzene ring C6H6, that is each carbon atom of benzene ring contains one hydrogen atom. If we replace one hydrogen atom of benzene ring by OH group, then the resulting compound form is called as phenol. Okay, when we replace hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon by hydroxyl group, then the resulting compound form is called as phenols. Okay, then there are three or more types: monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol, on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups. Next we discuss about classification also. Okay, third compound here in this chapter we discuss ethers. What are ethers? When hydrogen atom of alkane replaced by alkoxy or aryloxy group, then the resulting compound form is called as ether. Okay, we know the formula of alkane. When this hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by alkoxy or aryloxy group, this group is alkoxy or maybe aryloxy. What is alkoxy group? Alkyl group attached to oxygen. This group called as alkoxy group. And when aromatic ring is attached to oxygen, this group is called as aryloxy group. When hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by this alkoxy group or aryloxy group, then the resulting compound form is called as ether. Okay, in this way here we discuss about definitions of these three compounds. Here I write down some examples also. In case of alcohol, here I write down example of methyl alcohol. In case of phenol, it is monohydric benzene compound, its name is phenol. Okay, or hydroxybenzene, we also give IUPAC name to this compound is hydroxybenzene. Okay, because hydroxyl group is attached to benzene ring. Okay, and in case of ether, here I write down example of dimethyl ether. Okay, now we discuss about classification of these compounds. First we discuss classification of alcohols. Okay, first we discuss about classification of alcohols. Since here on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups, on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups, alcohols classified as monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Since here I write down three examples. First example contains only one hydroxyl group, its name is ethyl alcohol, it is monohydric alcohol. In second example, it is a ethane, it is a derivative of ethane. Here I replace hydrogen atoms of both carbon atom by hydroxyl group, means it is dihydric alcohol. Okay, here I write down ethylene glycol example. Its name is ethylene glycol, CH2H, CH2H, or ethane 1,2-diol. IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. It is dihydric alcohol, or its common name is ethylene glycol. In case of trihydric alcohol, here I write down example of glycerol or propane 1,2,3-triol. Okay, its common name is glycerol and IUPAC name is propane 1,2,3-triol. It is trihydric alcohol. Now since these monohydric alcohols further classified into three types. Okay, these monohydric alcohols further classified on the basis of carbon atom, on the basis of type of carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. Okay, there are two types: alcohols containing CsP3OH bond and alcohols containing CsP2OH bond. That means in case of these alcohols, this type of alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridase carbon atom. Okay, here OH group is attached to sp3 hybridase carbon atom. This type of alcohols further classified into three types. First type is alkyl alcohols. Since here I write down three examples. First is primary alcohol, second is secondary alcohol, and third one is tertiary alcohol. In this alcohol, in this alkyl alcohol, OH group is attached to primary carbon atom. That means this carbon atom is primary because it is attached to only one carbon atom. Hence, it is primary alcohol. In this alcohol, OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom. Hence, it is secondary alcohol. In this alcohol, OH group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Hence, it is tertiary alcohol. We discuss about classification on the basis of carbon atom to which OH group is attached. Here we discuss first about alcohol containing CsP3OH bond. That means here OH group is attached to sp3 hybridase carbon atom. This type of alcohols again classified into three types. First is alkyl alcohol. Here I write down example for alkyl alcohols. Now we discuss allylic alcohols, which is second type, in which OH group is attached to sp3 hybridase carbon atom. Allylic alcohols, since here OH group is attached to allyl carbon atom. What is allyl carbon atom? The carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond, the sp3 hybridase carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond is called as allylic carbon atom. Since here I write down example CH3 CH double bond CH CH2, and here I write down some functional group. This carbon atom is allyl carbon atom. This type of carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond and which hybridization is sp3, that type of carbon atom is called as allyl carbon atom. Okay, here in case of these alcohols, OH group is attached to that type of carbon atom, that is the carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Hence these alcohols are allylic alcohols. Here also I write down three examples. First is primary allyl alcohol, secondary allyl alcohol, and tertiary allyl alcohol. Since here OH group is attached to primary allylic carbon atom, hence it is primary alcohol. Here OH group is attached to secondary allyl carbon atom, hence it is secondary alcohol. And here OH group is attached to tertiary allyl carbon atom, hence it is tertiary alcohol. Okay, here I write down IUPAC name also. We know the rules for IUPAC nomenclature, hence I discuss about next type, benzylic alcohols. Okay, third type, in which OH group is attached to sp3 hybridase carbon atom. Since here OH group is bonded to benzyl carbon atom. What is benzyl carbon atom? The carbon atom next to benzene ring, that is the sp3 hybridase carbon atom next to benzene ring is called as benzyl carbon atom. And in these alcohols, OH group is attached to benzyl carbon atom, hence these are benzylic alcohols. Again here I write down three examples: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. I also write down here some examples and their IUPAC names. Okay, now we discuss about second type, in which alcohols containing CsP2OH bond. That means here OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridase carbon atom, to which OH group is bonded. Okay, that alcohols are also called as vinyl alcohols, because in these alcohols OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridase carbon atom, and that carbon atom is called as vinyl carbon atom. Since here any double bonded carbon atom is called as vinyl carbon atom. These carbon atoms are vinyl carbon atoms. Okay, Since here any functional group when attached to that double bonded carbon atom, then this compound named by giving prefix vinyl. Okay, hence in this type of alcohols where OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atoms are also called as vinyl alcohols. Since I write down here only one example of vinyl alcohol, ethanol. Okay, CH2 double bond CH single bond OH. That means here OH group is bonded to double bonded carbon atom, hence it is vinyl alcohol. Now we discuss about classification of phenols and ethers. Since classification of phenols, in phenols are also classified on the basis of number of hydroxyl groups attached to the benzene ring or aromatic hydrocarbon. When only one hydroxyl group is bonded to benzene ring, then this phenol is called as monohydric phenol. Its name is phenol, common name, or IUPAC name. In both nomenclature it is named as phenol. Okay, in second example I write down example of dihydric phenol, because here two OH groups are attached to benzene ring, or two hydrogen atoms of benzene ring are replaced by two OH group, hence it is dihydric phenol. Its common name is catechol and IUPAC name benzene 1,2-diol, because here both OH group attached to adjacent carbon atoms. Third example, in this example three hydroxyl groups are attached to benzene ring, hence it is trihydric phenol, and its common name is pyrogalol, or IUPAC name we can give benzene 1,2,3-triol. Okay, now last we discuss about classification of ethers. Ethers classified into two types: symmetrical ethers, or they are also called as simple ethers, and second type is unsymmetrical ethers, or they are also known as mixed ethers. There are two types of ethers, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Symmetrical ethers also called as simple ethers, unsymmetrical ethers also called as mixed ethers. Okay, now what are symmetrical ethers or simple ethers? Okay, the ethers in which alkyl groups or aryl groups which are attached on either side of oxygen atom are same. The ethers in which alkyl or aryl groups attach on either side of oxygen atom are same, that ethers are called as symmetrical ethers or simple ethers. See here, the ethers in which both alkyl groups attach on either side of oxygen atom are same are called as symmetrical ethers. Here I write down example dimethyl ether and diphenyl ether, because since in this type of ethers alkyl groups attach on either side of oxygen atom are same, hence these ethers are called as symmetrical or simple ethers. Second type is unsymmetrical ethers. The ethers in which alkyl or aryl groups attach on either side of oxygen atom are different. That type of ethers are called as unsymmetrical ethers or mixed ethers. Here I write down two examples: ethyl methyl ether and ethyl phenyl ether. Here name of that alkyl groups write in alphabetical order. Okay, this names of alkyl group written alphabetically, hence its name become ethyl methyl ether, and here in this case ethyl phenyl ether, because one group is ethyl and another is phenyl. Here one is methyl and one is ethyl. Okay, now in next lecture we discuss about nomenclature of these three functional groups: alcohol, phenol and ethers. Today we discuss about definition and classification of alcohol, phenol, ethers. Okay, thank you.